Let me see, Inga, beautiful. This is her final project. I know, we're still working stellar. This is superior. This is her final project. She's only been with me for 2 weeks. She just finished master's class. How do you explain this, young lady?
Beautiful teacher. Very, very.
I know I am, but still, it's beyond. And look at this one. You don't know what to say. I don't either. Wham! Ramir. Home run right out of that park. That's a triple and a home.
They're the best teacher.
I know I'm the best teacher, but still, it doesn't explain how spectacular this is. He's doing a wedding. He's only been studying for 2 weeks, too. Wow. I said, it's me on a good day.
Thank you so much.
Claudia, her funeral work. She wanted to do funeral work for her last project. That's perfect. Exactly what it should look like. And Margot, my writing instructor. This is Lepto, which I love. Spectacular. Wow.